Quick question. Would you rather get rich once or stay rich forever? Getting rich is easy. Staying rich, that's the real challenge. It's not enough to make money. The real game is keeping it. And the difference? It's in the habits most people ignore. Hello, and welcome back to Omolola Finance Lab. I'm Gbanamosi Omolola, and I'm so glad you're here. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a single money tip. Now, pause this video for a second. Tell me in the comments, what's your #1 money goal this year? I'd love to read and reply. Because the truth is, most people focus only on earning more, but forget that money can disappear just as fast as it came. The secret to staying rich isn't just saving, it's building systems that protect you when life gets unpredictable. That means investing wisely, avoiding lifestyle creep, and saying no to things that don't multiply your value. And don't worry, you don't need millions to think like the rich. You just need the right mindset. Stick around, because at the end, I'll reveal the #1 mistake that wipes out more millionaires than anything else. You definitely don't want to miss it.
Let's start with the first silent killer of wealth, lifestyle creep. You earn more, you spend more. New car, bigger house, endless subscriptions, luxury brands. Before you know it, your expenses rise as fast as your income, leaving little or no cushion. Here's the story. A tech worker got a $20,000 raise. Instead of investing it, he upgraded his apartment, bought the newest phone, and took 3 vacations. 5 years later, he was still living paycheck to paycheck, just with nicer stuff. Step by step. Automatic savings rule. Each time your income goes up, increase your savings and investments by at least 20%. Cap lifestyle upgrades. Allow just 10% of new income for fun. Guilt-free, but controlled. Audit subscriptions. Cancel what doesn't add real value to your life. And here's your quick win. If you make $100 extra this month, put $80 towards savings or debt paydown, $20 for fun. Wealth without a safety net is like building a castle on sand. One strong storm, and it collapses. Here's the truth. Medical bills are the #1 cause of bankruptcy in the United States, even for high earners. And in places like Nigeria or India, one unexpected family responsibility or a failed business deal can swallow years of savings overnight. I've seen this story too many times. A millionaire athlete went bankrupt after a single car accident. No insurance, no emergency plan. One moment erased millions. So, here's how you protect yourself, step by step. Step 1, build an emergency fund. Start small, just 3 months of expenses. Then, over time, aim for 6 to 12. Step 2, check your insurance. Health, life, home, car, and disability. Think of insurance as your personal guard dog, loyal, alert, and always watching your back. 3, don't invest this money. Keep it liquid, in cash, savings, or a money market fund, because in times of crisis, liquidity equals safety. And remember, real wealth isn't how much you make, it's how much you can keep safe when life throws a storm your way. So build your safety net first, because that's how real freedom begins. Protect today, secure your tomorrow. What makes you rich can also wipe you out. If all your wealth sits in one basket, one stock, one business, one property. You're one disaster away from broke. It's not about fear, it's about protection. Smart money always plans for chaos ahead. Preparation today protects your freedom tomorrow. Remember Kodak? Thousands of loyal employees invested only in company stock. When it collapsed, their savings vanished overnight. But the smart ones spread their wings. They built balance across industries, across countries, across time. True stability comes from layers of strength. So, here's how you do it, step by step. Diversify assets, stocks, real estate, businesses, bonds, and cash. Geographic diversification. Don't keep all your wealth in one country. Borders can close faster than you think. Time diversification. Mix short-term liquid assets with long-term growth. That's how wealth survives storms. And never forget, diversification isn't just strategy, it's peace of mind. Quick win. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. 50% in long-term growth, 30% in stable income, 20% in liquid cash. Spread your wealth and you'll never start from zero again.
One of the most dangerous wealth killers, ego. Many people go broke spending to impress. Cars, watches, designer clothes. It's not wealth, it's a costume. Real confidence doesn't need decoration. It speaks through calm control. Example, Mike Tyson earned over $300 million, but went bankrupt. Mansions, tigers, luxury parties. Do you really need a gold-plated toilet? No, regular porcelain works fine. Step by step, ask yourself, am I buying this to grow wealth or just to impress? If the answer feels heavy on ego, that's your cue to pause. Use the 72-hour rule. Wait 3 days before buying. Practice silent flex. Let your investments, not your outfits, do the talking. True confidence doesn't need an audience. It shines quietly through your discipline and results. Every time you resist showing off, you're proving that your money serves you, not your ego. Remember, status fades, wealth remains. Replace impulse buys with intentional purchases. Track regret. Learn from multiple impulse. Celebrate delayed gratification. Small wins add up. Ego spends fast. Wisdom multiplies quietly over time. Real wealth whispers, fake success shouts. Let results, not receipts, show success. Master these habits and your wealth will quietly grow while others keep buying costumes.
Money is like technology. It changes constantly. The rich stay rich because they keep learning. The poor stop learning and fall behind. Think of it this way. Your mind is your biggest investment. Warren Buffett reads 500 pages a day. Bill Gates disappears for think weeks to reset, recharge, and rethink. Step by step, you can do the same. Read just 30 minutes daily about finance, investing, or psychology. Seek mentorship. Surround yourself with people who challenge your thinking. Join communities, masterminds, forums, financial groups, anywhere that keeps your learning alive. Here's a quick win. Pick one finance book this month. Start with The Richest Man in Babylon. Comment below which book you'll start, and I'll share my top 5. Remember, growth doesn't happen overnight. It happens daily. Every page you read today plants a seed for your freedom tomorrow. And trust me, your future self will thank you for starting now. The number one mistake that destroys wealth is over-leverage, borrowing too much, too fast. Think back to the 2008 crash. People borrowed to buy multiple houses. When the bubble burst, billions vanished overnight. Step by step, only use debt to buy assets that pay you back. Avoid variable interest loans. They can crush you. Keep total debt under 30% of your net worth. Remember, the moment you trade tomorrow's money for today's pleasure, you've signed the contract to go broke. Real wealth isn't built on speed. It's built on patience and protection. So slow down and let your discipline do the compounding.
Let's recap the golden habits for building wealth. Avoid lifestyle creep, build safety nets, diversify wisely, control ego, keep learning, and never over-leverage. Which of these habits do you struggle with most? Comment below. I'll reply personally and maybe even create a video just for you. Don't worry if progress feels slow. Wealth grows quietly, one smart choice at a time. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss more wealth protection tips. Remember, getting rich is a sprint, but staying rich is a marathon. Train every day, protect your wealth, and you'll win.